Jefferson, Montgomery, Richmond, and Stanley. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern McClellan County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of York to 6 miles southeast of Rock Hill to 13 miles north of Springdale, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marshville, Trinity, Lake Park, Mid Hill, South Charlotte, Steel Creek, Waxhaw, Mineral Springs, New Salem, and Henry Bridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Mecklenburg, and Union. Thunderstorm watch number 87 has been for the following counties in North Carolina, Cleveland, Lincoln, and Rutherford, and the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee, Greenwood, Lawrence, Spartanburg, and Union. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm watch number 87 has been canceled for the following counties in North Carolina.
Yeah, so in SVR, we're severe thunderstorm warning for, if I can pull up my phone here, Mecklenburg and Union, North Carolina counties. Particularly the south to southeast portion of Mecklenburg and all of Union, North Carolina county. Now, I am in northwestern or north central Mecklenburg, right around here. So, as this storm line's going, for where this SVR is, it's south of where I am, for a storm line that's associated with it. But yeah, an SVR for these two counties across all of these. In this one corner.